actually is. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. In the kitchen, AI analyzes data, learns from it, and makes decisions to optimize our cooking processes. AI brings numerous benefits to cooking. It can enhance recipe creation, suggest personalized meal plans, and provide precision in cooking techniques. Imagine an AI system that generates a recipe based on the ingredients you have, or a smart oven that adjusts its settings automatically for perfect results